How to deposit a check with Citizens Bank Mobile. Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial I'll show you how you can easily deposit any kind of checks with your Citizens Bank Mobile. The very first thing you're going to have to do is open up your Citizens Bank Mobile application. Make sure that it is on the latest version. Then tap the deposit icon that you see on the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you have done that, you can enter the amount you want to deposit. Make sure it matches with what's on your check. Then you can just go ahead and select which account you want to deposit it into. Then sign the back of your check and write for mobile deposits to citizens only, and below you could do this below your signature. Then you can tap on the camera icon to take photo of the front and the back of your check. Then make sure that they are on a dark background and in a well lit area without anything else in the background or the image. Double check all of your deposit information, then tap on deposit and you're all set. You could also check your deposit history by tapping on the deposit history option. That is basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I'll see you guys on the next one.